So over here, you can see that I have a blank presentation slide. So if I were to go over here and type in something like, this is www.google.com, let's see what happens. And when I press spacebar, you can see that this turns into a link. Same goes for any other web addresses, www.youtube.com, and it becomes a link. Let's say I do not want this. I do not want it to automatically turn into a link. So in order to disable this feature, just go to Tools and then go to Preferences right here. And here you can see that there's automatically detect links is an option. So if I were to disable this and press OK, now let's see what happens. www.google.com. So I'm just going to type that in. And when I press spacebar, you can see that it still remains as a regular text and does not turn into a link. So www.youtube.com, just like this. So I'm going to turn that on again. So I'm just going to go around into Tool, Preferences, and turn automatic link on. So I'm just going to type in my YouTube channel address now. So youtube.com/tutortube right here. And you can see that it turns into a link. And that is how you can use the automatically detect link feature inside of Google Slides. You can turn that on or off. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.